How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to talk to you about one of the most important things to continue to watch in crypto. And this is something that I think is going to be really important when there's price volatility in the future because it's easy to get thrown off. It's easy to get discouraged. But if you zoom out and look at this one specific thing, it can keep you on the right track. Now, happy Christmas Eve to everyone. Happy holidays. I have my dog here. Usually she's not in the videos, but today she need to be apparently. So I just want to bring that up in case you see something fluffing around down here. It is her. But let's take a look at the crypto market. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button and subscribe button, I appreciate that. And we can see Bitcoin's up a good amount. The whole market is up about 4%. Yesterday was a good day, and we still have some cryptos pumping up even more a little bit here today. Now, we have come down a little bit since our peak yesterday, it looks like, but not too much overall. And it's a good day overall. It's a good day that we are holding our gains. And I did a video yesterday talking about why this is. If you guys want to check that out, I'll put it on the end screen. But what I was reminded of today, before we get into the important metric, is that a lot of people are still new in this market. And I know that sounds crazy, but I just, I get questions that are pretty new questions for investors, like what is bullish and what is bearish, stuff like that. And I think it's important to remember not everyone's on the same page. Not everyone's at the same place. I know that I am behind certain people in crypto with their understanding and what they're looking at. That's why I don't I try to do a lot of the on-chain analytics. I go into some of it, but I leave the really important stuff up to the top 2 or 3 on-chain analysts, and they are head and shoulders above everyone else. But with that in mind, I realize some people don't know exactly where to go to trade cryptocurrencies, which is why I want to bring up FTX before we get into the content too much, just because they are a new platform that I'm going to be using and I have used starting this month. I started using them and I'm going to use them a lot more in 2022. They're really easy to use. The user interface is really appealing. And then also they do allow you to trade with very low fees, which will be really important over the next 5 or 10 years that you have those lower fees. Using the links underneath the video, you can get some bonus crypto too, depending on how much you put in. You get a higher chance of getting more highly valued cryptos. So if you guys want to check that out, it is underneath the video. Now, the one thing that I think is really important to pay attention to is the Bitcoin on exchanges and the Bitcoin that's locked up. And I realize that we look at that a lot. We actually look at the crypto quant a lot, and we take a look at how much crypto or how much Bitcoin is going off of exchanges. But I think one thing that we constantly forget about a little bit, I know I do, is a lot of the Bitcoin that is on exchanges might not be circulating. So this article actually talks about how there's just 1.3 million Bitcoin left, but a lot of it isn't circulating. Like I keep a lot of my crypto on exchanges for interest, and I'm not planning on selling it. So yes, we see 1.3 million Bitcoin, but that's a little bit misleading at times because a lot of it's not going anywhere. And the thing is, we keep on seeing the supply dwindling down. So we see the illiquid supply at all-time highs and the price continues to go down. This is a little bit of a bullish divergence where we keep on seeing this bullish on-chain metric and yet the price falls down. So it's like a coiled spring getting ready to explode. And what we have to remember is if there's 100, or let's say there's 1.3 million Bitcoin left and it keeps on dwindling down at this pace, it's going to be gone in a while. So it's going to be gone. And we're not going to have enough for these large companies once they finally decide now is the time to buy Bitcoin. The price is going to go up exponentially because how are they going to buy 10,000 Bitcoin or 100,000 Bitcoin? Well, they're going to have to pay a premium for it. So that is, I think, one of the most important things to watch because, yes, the last couple times we have seen price come down, but the illiquid supply has been continuing to rise, which is very bullish long term. Now, I just wanted to keep this short for you guys. Overall, it's a pretty good day in the market. Enjoy yourself, enjoy your family, enjoy your friends. Try not to think about crypto too much. And I will see you guys in the next video. You can check out the link down below to FTX. Thanks.